we do seem to think that a one size fits all. I have to agree with you on that, because people buy mobility devices off the internet, or they go into Walmart or CVS or wherever and pick up a cane. You can go into even the medical supply stores and get something that isn't right for you, because some people don't care. I had a 6 foot tall female client who came home one day as I was at her door, going to work on her. And she was all leaned over this little aluminum walker. And I thought maybe we could adjust it to her height. Turned out it was already at its full height, and it fit me. And I'm 5'4" or something. So even going to a medical supply store, if you just take something off the rack and don't ask for an adjustment, or know that one is necessary to ask for, you can still come back with something that isn't right for you. If you're buying off the shelf in any of a number of places, a lot of people go into drugstores and just buy canes that can be totally ill-suited for them. And some of them are not even adjustable. Some of them are. If it's adjustable, then you need to get it adjusted, or have it adjust it yourself. And just to be clear, it should come with your standing at your full posture. It should come to your wrist. You're harming yourself, and it can be on a permanent basis if you don't know what you don't know for long enough. People end up with wrist problems, elbow problems, shoulder problems, neck problems from having the wrong devices. If it's too low, that's if they're too high usually. If they're too low, then you're going to end up tilted to one side or the other as you walk, like with a cane, if it's too low. It's not meant to do that to you, but you'll do it to yourself if you choose it incorrectly.